memory of Who Decides War is set to release the second part of her Jordan brand Flight Court collaboration this summer. The new coconut milk colorway features a creamy off-white upper made of smooth leather, hairy suede, and denim, with embroidered details that create a faux-distressed look. A removable Jumpman heel tab reveals Who Decides War's signature window motif, while the inside tongue reads, "The world is your court." This design mirrors the style of the black version released in December. The sneaker will be available in full family sizing on SNKRS and at select retailers, launching alongside an apparel collection. Combining rich textures and storytelling, the release highlights Téla's artistic approach to sneaker design and her continued influence in streetwear culture. The thoughtful design elements and thematic message make this drop a standout addition to the Jordan Flight Court line, blending creativity with purpose.